Alright, I got one pallet back here. And the kitty cat's checking it out. Let me go get the rest of them. Alright, so let me get this stuff off the truck. I was seeing deer tracks right there. Oh. Heavier than I thought it was going to be. These pallets are going to be used for a project, and that's going to be a whole new set of videos. Sometimes they don't want to. Here we go. I got it. Just got a few more to go. Good.
Up here. Yeah. Oh, my fingers are frozen. There's one more after this. Get this thing up there. All right. Last one. Ah, my gosh. See if I can do this one. There we go. I got it. Woo! All right. My fingers are freezing. Oh my gosh. I'll show you down here. A couple of spots here. I think some of that, is deer tracks. I'm not really sure. This kind of looks like it is. Kind of look off a little bit, but oh well. And there's my stack of pallets. Got those out of the truck. The wind blowing. All right. Now my truck's ready for the next load of pallets. All right, well, oh my gosh. You guys, down here is Nagini. Did you find her little comfy spot? Yeah, why don't you go in the cottage, inside? Over here, they've got this, I don't know if you saw that in my other videos. They can go in and out. Go in there where it's warmer. So, little puff for Nagini. Could be that she's not going in there because there's something else in there, but who knows. My nose is running now. My fingers are frozen. I got me a stack of pallets here, about as tall as I am. And I've got some projects I'm going to do with pallets. I'm going to be collecting a bunch more of these things so that I can get some stuff done. Ain't that right, Nagini? Well, she ate and got her belly full, so now she's got her little spot she likes to hang out. All right, wish me luck on my projects. And I'm gonna take the truck back around and park it, and then I'm gonna go inside and warm up. I've still got a cup of coffee in there. Probably warm it up and just sit and get a little bit warmer. All right. We didn't expect the snow last night. It's not a whole lot of snow. It's enough to just give it a nice sprinkling. And then tonight it's going to get down to 7 degrees Fahrenheit. 7. So you know, anything that melts or is wet is definitely going to freeze. That's why we did the work on the chicken coop, and also, you know, the cats can go in the cottage. All right. Well, talk to you later. Bye.